Hi everyone, this is Sandy Create the Heart, and I'm back to share a project that I made for, it's basically a challenge from VI Crafter KB. And her challenge was to alter a composition book for a teen youth center and mail it to them, which I am going to do tomorrow, which is why I wanted to quickly come on here and make a video to share what I made. So something appropriate for a teenage girl. I pulled out this Shakers and Sprinkles from Paper Tray Ink. It's from the Make It Market collection, and I've had this paper for quite a while. I hadn't even used it, so it gave me a chance to open that up and use it. So I just used a standard composition book during the school months, like August, July, when all the school stuff is on sale. I pick up the composition books. I mean, you can buy them at the Dollar Tree, but I really, really like just the traditional ones that you can buy. I think they're really well made. They're stitched and everything. So I buy them for 25 cents, and I usually stock up on them. Anyway, I just covered it. I used one of the cards in that paper collection. This is an ephemera from, I want to say My Mind's Eye, some collection that I have. I pulled and found a cupcake. And then some pom-pom trim here. And the back is just plain. I thought about putting a pocket here, and I just ended up leaving it like this. A person can write their name or whatever they want. To put a picture here, I thought, maybe. And then the inside of the album. So I do cover the inside. Not album, the journal. It's going to be a journal. I like to create a pocket. So I created a simple pocket right here and used another one of the cards. And then that way you could put papers or drawings or letters or whatever right here in the pocket. So just a really quick and fun project. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.